another episode here at Gadget Sidekick, and I'm your sidekick, Richmond, and today it's my first time to give an impression on the Realme 5. Okay, so here's the box. It's fresh, brand new, and of course looking so good. Okay, so after the successful stint of the Realme 3 comes the Realme 5. Of course, skipping 4. Why? 4 is not a good number for Chinese like me, and of course people in China. So they skipped 4 and went to 5. That's the reason. And I have here the blue color, probably the same as that of the box, and I'll give you my first impression right now. So we have here the Realme 5 phone in my hands, 5000 milliampere hours of battery, quad camera, and the color is looking good. Okay, so yeah. So hey, welcome to the Realme family. Of course, from Realme. Just taking out this one. Yeah, a free jelly case. Then nothing here. Okay, no manuals. Anyway, so there's a charger in here. So let's see, it's 5 volts and 2 ampere charger. So it's a 10 watts charger. No doubt about that. And of course, the micro USB cable. So yep, of course, don't expect too much since the USB Type-C is for the Realme 3 Pro. This one is still, of course, under budget. And of course, the SIM card ejector pin. So we'll be using this in a while. So taking the phone out of the wrapper, you can see it's, yeah, you can use 2 SIM and 1 SD card all together, which is pretty nice. Which is a great deal for anyone using the Realme 5. Okay, so let's take the SIM card slot out. By the way, this is a first impression. Okay, full review coming pretty soon. Okay, so we can take a good look underneath. There's the audio jack, microphone in, micro USB, and of course the loudspeaker. And on this other side, we have the power button. Rear, we have, of course, 4 cameras. Realme skipped the 3 and went to 4 cameras. Not bad. Actually 5, 1 up front. Okay. So nothing on top. On the other side, it's the volume rocker and of course the SIM card ejector tray. Okay, so opening the phone. There you go. Okay, so the UI is quite smooth. Okay, I really have no problem navigating this phone since of course it's one of the great budget phone that Realme will release. Okay, so let's take a quick look at its specs using the IDA 64. Okay, so yeah, Realme 5, it has 4 gig of RAM, 128 gig of storage, Bluetooth 5.0, Qualcomm Snapdragon 665, of course equipped with Cryo 260, 11 nanometer processor, octa-core, screen resolution 720p, IPS LCD, 6.5 inch of phone. The display is quite big, but of course the chin is quite big too. 269 dpi, okay, for pixel density, Adreno 610 and 60 Hz refresh rate. Okay, so what I like about this one is this, the 5000 milliampere hours of battery. Okay, so that is probably one of the best deal you can get out of this phone. Okay, so yeah, let's take a quick look at the camera. Okay, so yeah, here's the photo. Let's try to shoot an object. Okay, so that's 1x, 2x, 5x. Okay. Well, honestly, after you see the 5x, it didn't blur out. Okay, so which is good. Okay, the 5x zoom is good on this phone. I can say, honestly, it's really something, okay, to look forward to. And of course, the back, the crystal back, of course, it look like cutted crystal edge. Looks good, okay? So this should be called the crystal blue. Okay, yep. And yeah, I've given you my first impression of this Realme 5. Just stay tuned on my official review for this phone. And I'm your Gadget Sidekick, Richmond. And I'll see you on my full review of the Realme 5. Adios.